A lot of people will be scared here.
What's up everyone, it's Miggy with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this butterfly skull thingy. This is something really different from what I usually do on this channel. Okay, time to be vulnerable and true to myself. I am more familiar with these type of makeup look than glam that I do on my channel all the time. I know, it sounds pretty crazy, but it's true. I actually had a different idea in mind, but it actually looks better than what I had planned. The idea behind this look is that I wanted to create a very upgraded, leveled up makeup look of my first ever video on this channel, which is a butterfly makeup look. If you guys want to learn or watch how to create this makeup look, please keep on watching. Hello. Today I was thinking of doing an upgraded version of the blue butterfly makeup look that I did for my first ever video for this channel. Hopefully it goes well. I'm going to put on my contacts on this eye first. I will have one blue eye for the rest of the video. So yeah. Wait, what about my eyebrow? I didn't think this through.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass.
I should cover my eyebrows first. What if it doesn't cover up?
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Hello, it's voiceover Mickey here. Now I am gluing my eyebrows down and combing it so that it's like pointed upward so that it lays flat. I'm also going to use the base of the brush so that I can force them to lay flatter. That was the first layer of glue being dried, and now I'm going to put on the second coat. This will go up to 4 times. Yes, 4. And I'm also going to clean up the excess glue on outside of my eyebrows where I don't really need them. This part is really important. You want to use a lot of powder and you want to press really hard so that you don't disrupt the glue process that you just did. So this is my mistake, the concealer that I showed you. I thought cream concealer would work better, but apparently it didn't, so I use a different concealer. And the concealer that I usually use, and it works better. So yeah.
A lot of people will be scared here.
Now I'm going to outline the butterfly shape on my face. So for the outlining part, I'll be using an eyebrow pencil so I can erase them really easily if I make a mistake. I made a lot of mistakes, but you're not gonna see them because I only put in the footage of me not making mistakes so that the video isn't that long. The important thing is you want to outline everything, and you will make mistakes because your face is different from your reference. So yeah, make it fit your face. So the butterfly is actually smaller in the reference, but my face is a lot bigger, so I have to make the butterfly wing a lot bigger. Yeah, good luck. For foundation, I'm just gonna use this essence, which is like a little lighter than my natural skin tone, so that I look like pale, ghosty, scary, I guess. I'm gonna set this really quickly. This is the very reason why we do the outline with eyebrow pencil first. Because like with face paint, it's harder to erase. And as you can see, I'm not struggling to figure out what to put on my face because there's already an outline for me. I'm just following the line that I created beforehand. So another tip when you're doing detail work, make sure your dominant hand is supported by something, a table, or in my case, my other hand. I might mix these two. I don't have an important tip for face painting, but make sure you're painting in the lines. Don't go over the line. That's the only tip I have. Now I'm going to use a blue eyeshadow that matches the face paint to set the face paint that I just did so that I don't smudge it and that it doesn't fade away. You should be very careful with black face paint or any dark face paint in that matter because it's hard to erase, and even if you want to erase with another opaque face paint, black is still going to stain that area or mix in and smudge with the lighter face paint. So yeah, just be careful. Also, combining with the butterfly wings pattern, I created an eyeliner connecting the wing and my eyes. So for the designs on the wing, I don't know if it's because of the Ulysses papilio species, but it seems easier than other butterfly wings, and make sure you have a reference in front of you when you're drawing in the design on the wings. I think I'm done with the butterfly. I'm gonna start with the skull now. Hopefully, I don't know what I'm gonna do about the eyebrow. It's so bad. Just like the butterfly wing, I am just following the outline that I just drew beforehand so that it makes my life a lot easier, honestly.
Nice.
So for this part, yeah, I'm just filling in black. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show it to you, but I am layering the black face paint twice. For any area that I put black face paint down, I am doing a second layer so that it is opaque and it doesn't look patchy or gray. This part is kind of unnecessary, but if you want to amp up your look, you can create shadow in between each teeth with black eyeshadow or gray eyeshadow. Now I'm going to line my waterline using black eye pencil from Beauty Bay. For the lips on the butterfly side, I'm going to give tribute to my original makeup tutorial where the lips are like greedy and black to blue. I'm going to do that. This is extremely easy. You just put down blue eyeshadow and then in the inner corner you put down black eyeshadow and that's it. Now I'm going to put in these like tiny details, finishing touches, creating some cracks on my skull face part so that it looks old and crusty, I guess. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, put on mascara and a pair of lashes, like a really big one. Okay, I think this is a finished look. I love it. It actually looks better than what I expected. I had a different kind of expectation going on for this look. I really didn't think it would turn out this way. The butterfly looks amazing. The skull looks amazing. I did do a little bit more work on there, but like, it's okay. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. The eyebrow was a journey. I'm never doing it ever again. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see my previous video of me doing a very glowy, dewy look, which is totally different from this, the video will be up here. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!